Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on Webull. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Webull website right here, webull.com. If you have not already, so if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page. From this home page we can get started. So if you're using it on your mobile phone, you can download the application and open it up, but the process is going to go the same. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your account. So here in the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you're going to have the sign up option that's going to enable you to create one. So after logging in using this login button, we are going to be greeted by the home page from where we can get started. And here we can get started trading and investing. As you can see, once you put your mouse right here on trading investing at the top of the screen, you're going to be able to see the stocks trading app. So you're going to click on stocks or futures, whatever you prefer to buy SpaceX with, and it's going to take you to the next page from where you can get started researching. So as you can see, you're going to need an account. This is what is needed to find the stock. Basically, once SpaceX goes public, you're going to go and be able to find it right here in their trading system. But for now, SpaceX is not public. It is only open to private investors in the private round, and you cannot get into it. But it's hopefully going to go public sometime in the future as an IPO, and you're going to go and be able to find right here in the trading section next to the future section, stocks and so on, from where you're going to go ahead and be able to get started with trading. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.